Hello guys, in this video I will show you some new features on the Revolut app. So this is titled The Uncomplicated Crypto. Let's see what they have. Crypto doesn't have to be complex. Buy, sell or send instantly. No more waiting around for transfers and fund exchange. Trade crypto. So here you can buy or send or change crypto as you wish. Right now they have available, I think, 21 different cryptos. Let's see. These are not all. Where can we find all the crypto? Discover all crypto. Yeah, so they have 0x, Banker, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, EOS, Ethereum, Filecoin, Litecoin, Loopring, Numerai, OMG Network, Orchid, Stellar, Synthetics, Tezos, The Graph, Yuma, Uniswap, Ripple, or Your Finance. So they have 21. That's quite nice lineup. So this is how you can trade crypto inside the Revolut app. You can also set up recurring buys. Ready to dollar cost average? Dollar cost average is a strategy some investors use to reduce the impact of high market volatility by investing a fixed amount on a regular basis. Set up a recurring buy. Recurring buys allow you to dollar cost average. You buy more crypto when the dollar value is lower and you buy less when it's higher. Set it and forget it. Just invest a set amount in your favorite crypto at any frequency and leave the rest to us. Yeah, so with this feature you can set up a weekly investment plan. You can choose your crypto, for example Bitcoin. You can choose your currency. As you can see, I have Romanian lei right now, and you can choose the amount, set up the repetition. You can even set monthly, daily, and schedule, and that's it pretty much. It's quite useful function if you are into this stuff. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing if it was. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.